Once again, it's on, folks. Welcome back. It is time to open two boxes that got here today. Here they are. Before I get to my box, folks, today's beer is Sierra Nevada Hazy Little Thing IPA. Colorado Bushcraft Koozie, folks. Check out Colorado Bushcraft for the ultimate fire kit. Enough of that. Let's get to my boxes. Cheers, folks. First box. I don't know who it's from. Let's find out. Spot on. All right, man. This box is from Fairytale Wizard. Thank you very much, Fairytale Wizard, all the way from England. Of course, it is bought from Amazon, as you guys can see. Amazon. Let's see what's in the box. Pretty cool. Enjoy your gift. There it is, folks. A craft beer kit. Check it out. It will be interesting to see how this beer tastes. Alright, Fairytale Wizard, thank you very much for your gift. Folks, I'll leave a link in the description box so you guys can check out Fairytale Wizard, and if you like what you see, give them a sub. Now for my other box. This one is from Sunsetbay Bonnie. I have known Sunsetbay Bonnie for a very long time. Whoa! Check that out, folks. Let me get to my nose. Right on, right on. When I first saw this, I thought it was candy, but it's actually beeswax, unfiltered. Thank you, Bonnie. Pretty good. And a little slab of U-wood, man. It looks like at least 3/4 inch or to an inch. I'm pretty sure I can make some handles out of this. Once I cut it, I can make something out of this. Alright, Bonnie, thank you very much for the beeswax and the U-wood. Folks, Bonnie and I had known each other for a long time. I used to watch her videos before I used to make videos. I'll leave a link in the description box so you guys can check her out too. Cheers, Bonnie, and thank you for your gifts. Alright, folks, I'll see you guys in the next video.